Hey everyone, it's AD here. Recently, I got a Justin Bieber inspired haircut and style, and that haircut is one of the best haircut I've ever got. And the hairstyle is messy, matte finish hairstyle with some volume and a lot of texture. So overall, the hairstyle looks really great. Another cool thing about this hairstyle is that it gives a complete different look and it does not require so much effort to style. Personally, I think that this hairstyle is good for people looking for different look than the normal quiff hairstyle. This hairstyle is an old hairstyle, but it still follows the trend. I haven't told you how to do this hairstyle before, so today I thought it would be great to show you guys how to do this hairstyle. I'll take you step by step how we can do this hairstyle. One thing before starting the hairstyle is that this hairstyle requires some length, especially on the fringe area. So longer the hair on the top, better the style will look. So you really need some length in order to achieve this hairstyle. As for my hair measurements, at fringe area my hair goes just below my lips, about 7 inches, on top about 5 inches, and on sides they go from number 1 to number 3, and same for the back. And for this hairstyle we don't need to use any shine product because it is a messy hairstyle and we don't want to add any grease or shine into it. So for this hairstyle we are using 3 products. First product is a serum, not necessary to use but helps to control frizz. Next product is Original by ByVilain Smooth, provides matte finish. And the last product is ByVilain Dynamite Clay, also provides matte finish. Now let's start the hairstyle. First step is to start out with damp towel dry hair, because damp hair is the way to start any great hairstyle, and we also get the advantage of using a pre-styler. First thing first, I'll go ahead and get my hair damp. I'm back with damp hair, and next I'm using 2 pumps of this serum. You have to use this much amount and evenly distribute it all over the hair. It's not necessary to use a serum, but I find that it helps to control some frizz and flyaways. Next, I'm using Original by ByVilain Smooth as a pre-styler. This is one of my favorite pre-styler and I always use this wax as a pre-styler. The point of using this is that it will help to give some lightweight hold and volume, and it feels like there is no product in the hair. Also, it has an inbuilt heat protection in it, which is super cool. You can also use this wax as a post styler, but I find that it works best as a pre-styler. Take a little bit and evenly apply it all over your hair. Next step is blow drying. Original by ByVilain Smooth already has an inbuilt heat protection, so no need to use an extra protection. And now for the blow drying, I'm going to comb my hair in the natural direction they grows. And for me, my hair grows from right to left, so I'm going to comb my hair from right to left. And now for the blow drying process, you have to decide which way your hair naturally grows and stick to that direction with the blow dryer. So first, I'm going to dry my back and sides so that they don't make any problems. So now I'm going to dry my hair entirely right to left. At this point my hair is about 90% dry. So next I'm going to dry my hair upside down, which will help to build some volume and dry my hair faster. My hair is now completely dry, and now I'm going to blow dry my hair on completely cold settings, because when you dry your hair with hot air, then hot air opens up your hair follicles and cold air closes them back down, which will help to lock your hairstyle into position. Next, I am using a straightener. Using a straightener is pretty much optional, but I am using it to straighten my wavy hair, mostly on the fringe area. Now, straightening and blow drying process is finished, and to finish off the style, I am using ByVilain Dynamite clay. I have done a review on Dynamite clay, and if you haven't watched it yet, you can watch it here. So this clay is stronghold matte finish clay, and what it allows to do is add some texture and hold throughout the day. I really love this clay and it works really well for me. Take a little bit amount, and clays are heavier than the other products, so you really need to work it in your hands like this and evenly apply it all over your hair. You need to make sure that the product is covering your entire head of hair from roots to the tips, because roots are those which helps to keep your hair up, and if you are not covering your roots with the hair product, then the style will not last longer. So make sure to evenly apply the hair product all over your hair. Hairstyle is now finished, and that's the final look. And now I'll give you a bit of a spin. Well, that's the tutorial of Justin Bieber inspired hairstyle. The product I used will be linked in the description. Let us know in the comment section, do you like this hairstyle or not? Click that thumbs up button because it will help me a lot. And definitely subscribe if you are new here, because I do lot of men's hair, grooming and lifestyle videos. Check out my Facebook and Instagram page, links are in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next week. Until then, stay safe, eat fresh food, and also keep styling and profiling.